Here we are outside the Amemiya booth at the Tokyo Auto Salon 2022. They have a big booth in there, and there's a bunch of Rotary RX7s and stuff like that parked around it. So let's just do a little Rotary specific video here. So let's take a look. At the Amemiya booth. And they went hard this year. Nice FD. In a 3-rotor. Roadster base. Update on the headlights. And a viewer actually said those are IPF brand headlight bulbs that then they make custom housings for. So there's that from the RX7 day. What a crazy setup. Just can't wrap my head around the motivation for like such a wild car. That's amazing. I'm trying to see if there's an adapter for the bell housing, because I mean it's using the original transaxle, no doubt, but look at that packaging. Even touching the supercars. Monster. I don't know, quad rotor in there? Big turbo? I'm not sure. What is that? Oh, amazing. Ferrari, Rotary, swap. Twin Waters Golf Club on the front glass there. Interesting, interesting. RX8s need to have their time. Body looks cool on these. I mean, just RX8s in general look cool, but they just haven't got their moment yet. Everything else has to get really expensive, and then I think these are going to start blowing up because they're really cheap right now. But there needs to be probably, I hate to say it, at the Amemiya booth, there needs to be a good engine swap for them that people can understand without the rotary learning curve. Look at that. RX8s are good looking cars, especially done like this. But yeah, they just need a little help. Let's keep the rotary love going with this billet 6-rotor Cosmo. Billet Pro on the housings there. ITBs. What in the world? Look at that thing. You start stacking them that long and things just look weird. That's crazy. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. Looks like coil packs might be mounted down there along the rail. Obviously rear mounted radiator. What in the world? It's got some sticky tires on it. Maybe drag car. Maybe just a below people's minds car. Good old JDM surge tank. And I think that's the stock tank in the stock position there. Dual exhaust, rear mount radiator. That is something to behold. Let's get a overall picture of it. Overall shot. Amazing. There we go. Good old Cosmos. Style-wise, it's probably, you know, you love them or hate them sort of deal. Look at that. Definitely not low boy approved. It's one of those things, what is going on here? Daes Garage FD. It says Okada Engineering on the front glass. I can't act like I know too much about it. I just think it's really cool. Look at that. Guys, let me know in the comments. What is this thing? Look at that. Daes version 2021 7. So yeah, Daes Garage, Japan Toge project. Looks like there's a hand in putting this car together. HKSV Pro. Special edition wheels on it. Daes Garage, Brembos. Wow. Got FD here and an RX8 SE3P with the Ito Shokai stickers on them. And this one's got the Night Sport stickers as well. Our Amemiya Daes Garage. Just RX8 love. What a beautiful FD, full package. Look at this blue pearl in the paint. Amazing, I hope it's picking up. Beautiful. It's on the spoiler, Wow. White with blue pearl. Beautifully executed FD. Another good looking FD with an attack maximum challenge sticker up front, so maybe running time attack, but then it's also fitted out with Valinos in kind of like a drifty stance, so I'm not sure. But auto rescue car, Scoot, Midnight. Car shop glow. Look at that. Plenty of air coming out the back, coming out the front. Beautiful wide body. I wonder, man, this looks like a car we might have saw at Seventh Day, but maybe not. Look at all the vents coming out the hood. Beautiful FD. Another beautiful FD. Someone let me know in the comments, is that a feed hood, a Scoot hood, an RE hood? I don't think it's RE. Anyway, beautiful yellow color. Nice pearl to it. Nice diffuser on the rear. Wide body. Most important, oval canister exhaust, the best. Revolution exhaust. Love oval canisters. And as we wrap up Rotary corner here, why not with the little Miata? Sorry, Roadster. I do love that. The front bumper is really cool. Must be RX8 engine swapped. And finishing it off with the classic Savannah Wagon. And the placard says 20B, so this could be having a 3-rotor hiding under it. Really cool wagon. Plenty wide. I'm a big fan of wagons, and this has a really nice shape to it. Sometimes they look awkward. You can tell it's a converted, sedan, but this looks pretty clean. They did a good job so many years ago with the body design on it. So what do you guys think? Definitely some cool stuff. Some 6-rotor stuff. And then of course all of Ari Amemiya's stuff. You can take it in so many directions, and I think this little selection proves that. If you want to see more coverage from Auto Salon, check my other videos, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Much love. Be well.